Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a 3D cube logo in CapCut PC. So you can just go to animation, go to combo, and you can just select cube and stop there. But I'm showing you how to make it a little bit cooler than just this. Also make sure the duration is a little bit longer than 1 second. Okay. I am also going to just make it like into a square. Here, I'll just do the crop ratio and make sure it's kind of in the middle. That's it. Confirm. So that it's like a neat cube. But I'm showing you guys how you can make it glow. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to effects and you're going to search for neon outline. Or just neon, I think. Then you're going to add that above your video, like so. Then you are going to go to media and you're going to go to library. Actually, you're going to go to adjustments first, add in a custom adjustment, and make the saturation go down to -50. Then I am going to go to media and I'm going to go to background and I'm going to select a color that I want. For instance, this purple color, can't say that correctly, or you can even add this multiple colored one. Go to blend mode, select the linear burn one. Might make this a little bit longer in terms of duration. Okay. Once you are done, you are going to go to the effects section and you're going to type in edge glow. You're then going to select the edge glow and you're going to place it on top of that. And you're going to just adjust the, like how glow you want this to be. Or you can go to nature and add in the luminance 1 instead. Or you can add both, to be honest. I'm just going to add both here. Once you're done, you are going to select everything. Actually, let me copy and paste that. Right click, create compound clip. Go to blend mode and select the darken one maybe. So it looks a little bit cooler. You're then going to select your logo and you're going to do it one by one. You're going to add in the cube animation, which is in combo. So select one that you like first. I am going with cube 4. And I'm going to select this one as well. And I'm going to select cube 4 as well. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!